When using a sky map, you first need to make sure that it meets all of your needs. The sky map that I will be using today is called CeruleumWeb.org. It is free and easy for anyone to enjoy and use. This sky map tells you all you need to know, including the time that you're observing anything, your date, and your location. It also gives you some facts about that object that you click on. You can even show the equilateral grid and coordinates of almost every celestial object that is within their database. If you can't visually find any object that you're looking for, you can always type in the search bar and look up what you want to find. For example, the Orion Nebula. You can either type M42 or the Great Orion Nebula.